So, Mama, we have a training school where we are training. Yes, we have a training school where we are training young people how to do carpentry, upholstery, furniture, all of that, because we believe that not everybody can go to school. Not everybody wants to go to school. And not everybody can return back to school. So the best thing for us to do is to ensure that people have skills that they can use. So we're using furniture as a way to teach people skills that they can use to elevate themselves, to live their lives, to make money, to take care of their families, and all of that.
In what way?
Through furniture. So we come to our school and we train them skills. By the time they get those skills, they can now go out into the world and they can start getting jobs. Right? So those young people that we are training today, a lot of the time, they don't understand the value of woodwork or handwork. They believe that everybody can only be rich if they travel abroad. Everybody can only be rich if they went to school. No.
A
Lawyer, engineer, doctor. But they don't understand that the skilled individual can also do very well. I'm a skilled individual, Abi. I went to school, I did architecture, but today it's furniture that I'm doing.
But one commissioner said, Mama, you are looking for a job for this boy? I said, yes. No. Oh, you are telling him to go and learn something. Maybe mechanic or carpentry or a whole commissioner.
And it's not just in Nigeria. This issue and this conversation is happening globally. Even in America, they're telling you, going to university don't guarantee you anything again. Go and learn a skill. Even those who have gone to university and have come out, go and learn a skill that nobody can deny that they need. Go and learn your carpentry. Go and learn your electrician. Go and learn plumbing. And so that you can have value in the working environment. That is a global dilemma, and it's a global solution people are looking for. So in our school, we're talking to our young people all the time, the importance of that skill. What message would you say to those young people? What would you tell them about the value of skill acquisition? What would you say to them to encourage them that there is value in pursuing this type of training?
I used to tell my children, even my grandchildren, that you should go and learn something. One of my sons wants to go to Canada. Then my sister that said, you should go and learn how to Baba. I say, Baba. Yes. Kó lọ kọ́ bó ṣe ń gẹ irun kó tó wá. Then kó wá kọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe máa ń àwọn irun táwọn ọkùnrin máa ń ráp yẹn. Bí mo bó ṣe máa ń pè. Ó ní kó ṣáà lọ kọ́ kó tó wá. Why? Ìwé nìkan kan náà fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní Canada o. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́. Ó yẹ ká kọ́ iṣẹ́ ọwọ́. Ó ti pẹ́ tí mo ti máa ń sọ fáwọn èèyàn. Mo kàwé nìkan kọ́. Láyé ta ti ẹ̀wà yìí, ìwé nìkan kọ́ ló lè ṣe é. You can't make it because you are a graduate from University of Toronto. No! You go and learn something. It's good for somebody to learn something. Yes.
And once they start that learning and they start that journey, what word of encouragement do you want to give them to ensure that they finish what they start and they go the full mile to complete it and then start using it?
Yeah.
And what is the value in that skill that you want them to understand that they may not understand right now?
Let's say 24, 25 is there before. What's in kọ́ṣẹ́ yẹn? Then Baba Kowade at 45. That boy will just tell the Baba, Eleba Mera Amalawa, Egba, and he will go. Yes, because that boy is a senior man. If you don't want to do that, you can't learn. Baba, igita nkoi, pako ye ko straight, jẹ́ kó ṣe kó straight. Ẹ wo tí mo ṣe yìí, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ rí báyìí. Tí o bá ti obey, kò lè mọ̀. You have to obey senior. When you want to learn something.
Means senior in that skill.
In that, yes. When you obey the senior, even when they finish, you can call him, sir, please. That thing I don't understand. Can you send me? This is 24 inches. This is 10 inches. How am I going to join it? He will teach you. Somebody want to learn, no. Because to bá ń ṣiṣẹ́ tó lówó lọ́wọ́, even in the family, we are proud. Yeah, you're proud yourself. I have my work. Not only yunifásitì iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ó máa ń mówó jáde nígbà tó lérò wọ́n á kọ̀ pé hello Africa má bọ̀ wá bá a ṣe náà yìí electrician wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ ní iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ ní iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ kan tó kọ́ iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ni tó yà wá yìí kọ́ ìwé nìkan kọ́ ó ń gbé kámẹ́rà ó ń ṣe báyìí ó ń ṣe kinní kan iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ni tí ò bá kọ́ kò lè mọ̀ àbí.
Thank you.